Hi. So you want to decide whether to use the Scratch online version or the desktop version. You can actually use both. So for the online version, you visit scratch.mit.edu and you will see the Scratch software will load. So you can use any of your browsers, Chrome, Firefox on your machine. You just have to be connected to the internet all the time, and you click on join Scratch and you create a username, password, and you are ready to go. If you would like to also work without an always internet connection, then you must have the offline version also available. So what you do, you just Google in download Scratch. So you will get to this page, download the Scratch app, and you can see it is available for Windows, Mac, Chrome OS, and Android. So you just download it and you are ready to go. So on Mac OS, for some of the systems, it's a known issue that if you just download and install, it doesn't work. So you must install it using the App Store. So let's just look at what are the differences between the online version and the offline version. So for the online version, the key thing is no software installation is required. You can just access from the browser on your machine. It does always need the internet connectivity. Now, the key advantages are that it will keep auto saving your work. So whatever you do, it will continuously save it. Now the next big advantage is that you have access to a huge repository of projects which have been created worldwide by different Scratch users. Uh, in fact, it is encouraged that if you enjoy any of those projects, you want to learn from them, you can use Remix, which gives you a copy of the project and you can then make modification edits to it. And once you are willing to share your own work, you just have to make it public and then anybody can see it. With the offline, the key advantage is that you don't have to be always connected on the internet to work on your project. So of course you need to download, you need to install the software. You need to, one important thing is when you're using offline version is there is no automatic save. So every time you've done some incremental work, you want to make sure you do file and save. So you want to make sure you keep saving it. Now, can you sync between online and offline? So there is really no sync feature capability provided. So, but what you can do is that if you're working online and then you want to work offline, so what you have to do is you save to your computer. So it will create a Scratch project file on your computer. Then you load it on your local desktop version, you work on it, and then of course you have to keep saving it as we just mentioned on your local computer. And then once you want to go back and work online, then you have to reload it. So it won't really sync, it will just reload your entire project online. So either ways, both ways, happy creating.